Good morning, gentlemen. Pardon my interruption, but I am sure that the next few seconds will result in one of the best investments for your company. I'm aware that your company needs people with the ability to manage and organize different sectors, and I think you have the solution in front of you. My name is Luis Alfredo Leon. I'm a software engineering student, and I can provide numerous solutions to your company's needs. I speak fluent English, and I can maintain simple conversations in French and German. 607 TOEFL points demonstrate my language abilities. I am willing to work for your firm as my computing skills could offer solutions to management problems. However, the best reason to hire me is that my dream has always been to work for your company, and my knowledge will help me to achieve it. Thank you for your time. ¿Quedó chido o no?
Y aquí se ve el pinche tramposo con su laptop. Nada de oral, güey. Esto es pinche efeméride.